Rĩrĩ ũnyitani mĩgwate ũrongoreirio andũ ethĩ arĩa maratetia thirikari nenda-inĩ ũrathi na mbere na kwĩhĩrĩria bũrũri. Gũtekũmenyeka nũ ũratabania wĩkinaĩ ũyũ kũringana na mũnini wa president wa hau kabere Rigathi Gachagua. Ũnyitani wa mĩgwate ũyũ ũratabanio nĩ gĩkundi kĩa maabitha a borithi arĩa matakoragwo rungu rwa mũnene wa borithi.
Admission by the Inspector General of Police that he is not aware of who is doing the abductions confirms what we know and what we have gathered. There is a unit of police officers that are not under the command of the Inspector General of Police that are carrying out these abductions and killings.
Gachagua agĩkwĩra gũkira gwa president rĩrĩ wĩkinaĩ ũyũ wĩhĩrĩirie.
Then William Ruto must take full responsibility and immediately address these egregious violations. To remain silent or inactive is to suggest that these actions are being carried out with his knowledge and consent. It is impossible to ignore the fact that the only link among the victims is their criticism of the president and his administration. This administration explicitly promised that such atrocities will not happen under its watch.
Arauga maabitha aya ogomu marutagira wĩra nyũmba-inĩ ĩmwe Nairobi, akiuga ica ikuhĩ nĩ akũhithũria no mũnene wa gĩkundi kĩu.
There is a building in Nairobi, the 21st floor, in the city center, where this unit is operating from. Led by a certain Mr. Abel, will be giving a second name in the next 1 week or so. Is a unit of officers drawn from across security agencies that are not under the command of the Inspector General of Police. Abel is a cousin to a very senior government official in this administration.
Akiari na andĩki a mohoro mũciĩ-inĩ gwake wa Munyoro Mathira Nyĩrĩ, Gachagua augĩte nĩ ũhoro wa kĩeha kuona thirikari ĩkĩnyita mbeũ njĩthĩ mĩgwate, akiuga makĩria ma mbeũ njĩthĩ 100 nĩo manyitĩtwo mĩgwate.
Between June and November 2024, reports indicate 74 cases of enforced disappearances, with 26 individuals still unaccounted for. Tragically, the events this December have only worsened the situation. New abductions are being reported, with more families coming forward to share heartbreaking stories of loved ones taken without a trace. This failure of accountability raises an urgent and troubling question. Who is responsible for these abductions, and why our security forces powerless or unwilling to intervene?
Riu arenda anene a honge cia DCI, borithi na rwa ũgacerũ NIS matige wĩra kuona nĩ maremetwo gũtarĩria bũrũri no ũranyita andũ mĩgwate akorwo ti borithi. Augĩte kũrĩ na muoroto wa thirikari kũhũthĩra borithi kũharagania mahoya marĩa maharĩrĩirio gũtabanio mwena wa Camata Nyandarua rũciũ Jumamothi.
Prayers tomorrow, and the police commander there in that county is intimidating leaders to cancel those prayers, that they will not be allowed to take place, that they need a permit. I want to tell the county commander Nyandarua that you don't need a permit to hold the prayers.
Handũ-inĩ Inooro TV kuma kaunti ya Nyĩrĩ, Njeta Theuri wa Bogo.